ever felt like you are studying chemistry every day, solving hundreds of questions, revising all the topics, but still not getting the marks which you have expected? And what if I tell you the problem is not your hard work? The problem is most NEET aspirants doing the mistakes over and over. Imagine two students, one is studying 6 hours per day and another one is studying 4 hours per day. And the later one gets the highest marks in NEET exam. Why this happens? This indicates NEET does not only depend on hard work, it depends on smart work also. In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 mistakes which NEET aspirants are doing and losing their marks in NEET examination, and how to score more than 160 marks in chemistry. Make sure you watch till end, because the 5th mistake which I am going to tell you is the one in which most students are losing their marks every year. Mistake number 1, neglecting NCERT. For NEET chemistry, that too mainly inorganic chemistry, NCERT is like a Bible. Direct questions will come from statements, exceptions. So don't leave even a single line also. By leaving single line, you may lose marks. So what you have to do? Daily read NCERT textbook. Don't waste your time collecting PDFs, coaching center modules, referring other notebooks. Instead of that, underline the important things in NCERT. Revise it every day. This is what the toppers do. Reading NCERT once is better than referring 3 different books. So make sure you will not neglect NCERT textbook. And mistake number 2, by-hearting organic mechanisms. What we think, we cannot understand the reaction, let me by-heart it. But that's not going to work. You will lose your marks if application level questions are asked. Obviously, we know direct questions won't come. So, what strategy we have to follow here in organic chemistry? Make sure your GOC is good. That's the basic concept which you should know, general organic chemistry. If you understand general organic chemistry, then all the reactions, mechanisms becomes easier. Instead of by hearting the mechanism, just try to learn how movement of electrons are taking place, from where to where electrons are moving, and revise it every day. Make a note of all named reactions and weekly once go through all the reactions so that you will not forget. Instead of by hearting the reaction, you have to learn it, understand it. And see, if you by heart one reaction, if you by heart hundreds of reaction and you feel difficult to solve even one question also, it's difficult. Instead of that, what you can do, understand that one reaction which helps you to solve hundreds of questions. So in organic chemistry, we have to focus on mechanism, we have to understand it. And third point, third big mistake what we do is we neglect physical chemistry problems. Most of the students say physical chemistry is difficult because it involves many numericals, and we think let's study these numericals later, and that later never comes. So what we have to do in this physical chemistry numericals, at least daily we have to practice minimum 15 questions. It's not like just practicing. While applying formula, you have to think why I am applying this formula, whether the units are correct, in which case, which formula I have to apply. All these things while solving, you have to make sure. So when you get new questions, then you can solve by that practice. Every day 15 questions, not weekly. Remember this. Don't neglect physical chemistry. Don't keep it aside. And fourth mistake is not maintaining mistake notebooks. Most of the students will maintain revision notebooks, formula notebooks, but they fail to maintain mistake notebook, and that's where they lose their marks. Whenever you make a mistake, make sure you write that question, the solution which you have taken for that, and the correct option, why it is correct, and revise those things. So when any concept or question come from that concept, then you can answer it. You will not make many mistakes. That mistake book act as a score booster for you. And the last fifth mistake is you will not analyze mock test. Students will say, I have taken 30 mock tests, 50 mock tests, but improvement will be a big zero. Why this happens? Because just they will go on taking the test. They will not analyze the result. Take a mock test once, check in which topic you made mistake or which topic consumed more time for solving. So concentrate on those topics. Make a note of it, and in next exam that should not take much time and you should not repeat the same mistake. So it's very, very important to analyze the result. If you don't analyze the result of mock test and if you directly jump to another mock test, if you have taken 100 of mock tests, it is of no use. So analysis of mock test is very, very important. So what you have to do, you have to analyze, take the mock test, analyze it, understand your mistake, and retake the mock test. So these are different big mistakes which you are taking, which you are making while reading. So let's quickly revise all these 5 mistakes. First one is neglecting NCERT. Second one, by hearting organic mechanism. Third one, not practicing numericals of physical chemistry. Fourth one, not maintaining mistake notebook. And fifth one, not analyzing the test. So what we have to do, we have to study smarter and we have to revise better and learn from our mistake. Always expect 160 marks, more than 160 marks from chemistry. So this will become a score booster for you.